Morning, dear students. I'm going to explain the first problem from our ledger chapter. Please have a look. The first question we have is journalize the following transactions of Mr. Prahlad and post them in the ledger and balance the same. So we have to write here in this question the journal entries. At the same time we have to make the ledger also. So first I'll just show you how journal entries will be posted for all these entries, all these transactions. Just have a look. So it is for the month of February 2013. How I have written journal entries in the books of Mr. Prahlad for the month of February 2013, and then you'll draw the format for journal. Date, particulars, debit and credit, and within date I have put up second month, year, so that it is easy for me to put on the dates. If we see the first transaction, how do we write? First transaction maximum, you'll have a transaction on investment. Prahlad invested 5 lakhs cash in the business. Cash account debited to capital account. I'm not going to explain it in detail because already we have seen it in a journal chapter. Next, paid into bank rupees 60,000. Okay, so we have paid into the bank. Bank is receiver, and what is going out from us? Cash is going out. So that is how the entry will be written like this: bank account debited to cash account. Then we have purchase of building. So when we purchased building, what is coming into the organization? Building. Debit what comes in, what is going out? Cash is going out. So we will credit cash. Then we have purchased goods. When we purchase goods, what is coming into the organization? Goods, and what is going out? Cash. Okay, so goods we write it under the heading of purchases. So how we'll write the entry? Purchases account debited to cash account. In amount column, debit, and credit you'll put, and you'll give the description being goods purchased. Then in entry we have sold goods for rupees 80,000. So when we sell goods, cash is coming in and goods are going out, or let us say sales. Okay, instead of goods we'll write it as sales. Sales we can treat it as a real account or at the same time nominal account. Then we have being cash withdrawn. When we take out cash from bank, cash is coming to us, and who is the giver? Bank is the giver. Bank is a personal account. Then in entries we have paid internet. Internet, it is an expense to us. Internet is a nominal account, so debit all expenses and losses. Cash is being paid towards internet, cash is going out. Being a real account, we will credit cash. Likewise, we have salary paid. Salary is again an expense to the organization. It's a nominal account. Cash is a real account, and that is how the entry when we pay cash is written. Now dear students, I'll show you how to post them in ledger account. Already one of the questions was explained to you. This is a replica of that. I have written all the accounts. Now here, if you see, for every aspect we'll make an account. Like cash account will be there, capital account will be there, okay, bank account will be there, again cash. So one cash account will prepare and we'll put all cash in that particular account. So that is the beauty of preparing a ledger account. All the transactions, how much cash has come into the organization, how much cash has gone out of the organization, we come to know everything in detail, the net balance of these accounts. So we'll prepare a building account. Cash account is going to be common. Then purchases account, okay, whatever new account is there, we'll prepare it. Sales account is new, we'll make bank account. Already we have prepared, so we'll not prepare this bank, but we'll post all the entries related to bank in one account. Then we'll make internet account and salary account. Okay, all right, so let us begin with the first one. Cash account debited means on the debit side of the cash account we have to write date. Again, let us put on the top 2013, or let us put second. Here also second month of 2013, or make it more clear writing it as February 2013. Okay, this side also February 2013. On first, what has happened? Cash account is to be debited. What is the opposite account? Capital. So we will write that here. Whenever we post anything in the ledger, we put it under the heading towards the debit, we put it under the heading of 2. Okay, so to capital account, how much amount? 5 lakhs. We'll put the amount. Next transaction, cash credit side we need to write. What is the opposite account? Bank. So credit side will put what is the date? 3rd. When we write anything on the credit side, we should start with writing by. By bank account, how much cash did we pay? 60,000. So 60,000 will be written. Then in next account we have purchase of building. Cash is credited. So credit side only we will write by building account. How much did we spend in buying the building? We spent an amount of 2 lakh rupees. So we'll put that. Then we have purchased cash, again credit. So we'll put again on the credit side. What is the opposite entry? Purchase account. How much did we do the purchase of? We purchased goods of 50,000. Then we have cash sales. Cash is debited here because sales is cash is debited. We'll write on the debit side. Date is 10th. Opposite account is sales. So we'll write to sales account. How much sales was done? 80,000. After that, we withdrew cash from bank. Debit side again we have to write. What is the opposite entry? Bank. So we will put that bank account. Put the date as well. That is 15th date. How much? 12,000. Okay. For buildings the date is 5. Purchases it's 7. And then we have internet and salary. Credit side we need to write. What we'll write it as? By internet account and by salaries account, and their respective dates is to be put, that is 25th and 30th. By salaries account. Okay, so internet we paid 2,000 and salaries an amount of 18,000 was paid. Okay, so now here we have posted everything on the debit and credit side. What in ledger general? In our cash account we have posted all the entries on the debit and credit side. Now we'll check the totals. If we see the totals, debit side is more, so this is this account will be called as debit account. We have total, if you see, 5,92,000. okay, 5 lakhs plus 80,000, 5,80,000 plus 12,000, you'll get a total of 5,92,000. The same amount we'll put on the credit side also, but if you see carefully, the totals of these amounts are not 5,92,000. There is a difference. Now difference of how much amount? We have a difference of 2,62,000. Now this will put it under the heading of by balance carried down.